Hi, here is Ashraf and today we will discuss about advanced configuration of the blade system. Friends, most welcome to MATLAB Latex software channel. Today we will discuss about advanced configuration of the blade system. If you enable the advanced options, you can configure the blade system in more details. Every text command is a list of external programs slash latex commands and other text commands to call. An external program can be called with its usual command line, while a text command with id foobar is called by text slash foobar. The commands in the list are separated by slash, where which is just a separate, that is, it will not pass the Stdout from one program to the SDN of the next. Each of these text command has a unique ID which is shown as tooltip of the display name for normal commands and in the edit box for user commands. Some important commands are usual. Number one is text quick build and view the old quick build. Number two is text compile default compiler. Number three is text view default viewer. Number four is text latex of latex. Five is text PDF of latex. Six is view PDF default PDF viewer. Seven is view PDF external PDF viewer. For example, in typical bullet configuration, you might call number one is quick by pressing F1, which calls. Number two is compile, which first calls. Number three is PDF latex, that calls the actual PDF latex and then call. Number four is view, which calls. Number 5 is view PDF, which calls. Number 6 is view PDF internal, which displays the PDF. There is no difference between commands defined as command on the command configured page, command defined as a bullet on the bullet config page, or commands defined as user commands. They are just separated in the GUI to simplify the interface. This also means that you can change every command as you want, ignoring its old definition. You could even change its ID when editing the INI file. There are, however, three always defined internal commands which can only be called and not modified. Number one is text internal PDF viewer, opens the internal viewer for the current document. Number two is text view log, views the log file for the current document. Number three is text conditionally and compile bibliography, checks if the bib files have been modified and calls. Number four is recompile bibliography if and only if that is the case. The internal PDF viewer also accepts the following options: text slash internal PDF viewer to modify its behavior. Number one is double dash embedded, opens the viewer embedded. Double dash windowed, opens the viewer windowed default or if no option is given. Close all open viewers or just viewers of a specific kind. Number three is double dash close dash all windowed embedded. Number four is double dash preserve existing, does not change any existing viewers, that is always opens a new one. Number five is double dash preserve dash embedded slash windowed, does not change any existing embedded /windowed viewers. Double dash preserve duplicates only opens the PDF in the first opened viewer. Number 7 is double dash of no dash auto dash close determines whether the viewer should be closed when the corresponding text file is closed. Default auto close if and only if embedded. Number 8 is double dash of no dash focus determines whether the viewer should be focused. Default focus if and only if windowed. Number 8 is double dash of no foreground determines whether the viewer should be brought to front. Default foreground. Determines the file to open like in other commands file patterns are supported. If this parameter is not provided, text uses impdf, that is file name, the absolute path of the main file if the parameter is not an absolute file name. It is searched for the directory of the main file as well as in the option bullet options, additional search and paths and PDF files. It is also possible to modify the arguments of called subcommands with argument modifiers or by adding a new argument. These modifiers are passed through called list, so it will always change the arguments of the finally called program, even if the directly called subcommand is just a wrapper around another command. Number 1 is text foobar double dash xyz. This will add the xyz option. Number 2 is text foobar square bracket double dash xyz is equal to 1 2 3. This will change the value of xyz option to 1 2 3, that is to remove any xyz option defined in foobar. Number 3 is text slash foobar curly braces double dash xyz is equal to 1 2 3. This will remove double dash xyz is equal to 1 2 3 from the foobar command line, ignoring xyz option with other values. Number 4 is text foobar curly braces xyz. This will remove any double dash xyz option from the foobar command line regardless of its value. Number 5 is text of foobar curly braces. This will remove all options from foobar command line, leaving only the name of the executable. Finally, there are also hidden options which can only be changed by modifying the ini file. Number 1 is tools kind latex. Number 2 is tools kind rerunable. Number 3 is tools kind PDF. Number 4 is tools kind stdout. Number 5 is tools kind and viewer, which give a list of commands that are treated as latex compiler, that is show the log afterwards. Rerunable repeated command call if there are warning. PDF generators, that is pdflatex commands that prints to stdout, for example bibtex, and viewer is only open once. Friends, thanks for listening me, and please subscribe my channel. Have a good day.